Is it possible to lose weight without dieting or exercising? The answer to this question is yes, you can. Here are the 5 techniques that you can use in order to be able to lose weight without dieting or hitting the gym. Also, I have a bonus tip at the tail end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Number 1, eat more proteins. Out of all the macronutrients, protein is the most satiating and discourages food cravings. If you want to lose weight, increase the amount of proteins in your diet, and this can be through including more eggs in your meal plan, lean beef, chicken, fatty fish, and so much more. Eating more proteins reduces hunger and makes you eat less unnecessary calories. Number 2, eat more fiber. One thing you need to note is that fiber does not make you add weight. As a matter of fact, it does the complete opposite, which is helping you lose weight. Also, eating a lot of fiber makes you fuller for longer. Some of the sources of fiber include avocados, which are my favorite, chia seeds, and how I use this is I add them in my plain yogurt, especially when I'm breaking my fast. There is also beans, there is spinach, there is nuts, and so much more. So eat more whole grain foods and also eat plenty of vegetables, and within no time you will be up for success. The third thing is get more vitamin D. There are different sources of where you can get vitamin D, but the main one is from the sun. When the sun hits your skin, your brain is triggered to produce a hormone called serotonin. Serotonin is the happy hormone. This hormone is responsible for boosting your mood, enhancing or making you feel relaxed, and so much more. You might wonder, how does this make me lose weight? And here is how. Some research indicates that those with low vitamin D blood levels are at a higher risk of being obese. Some of the conditions linked with low blood levels are: number 1, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis, anxiety and depression, and metabolic syndrome. Walking in the sun for 20 minutes between the hours of 9 a.m. and 12 noon is going to help you feel less anxious and depressed. The reasons why I'd recommend you walking in the sun between these times is because the UV rays are less harsh on your skin. Aside from getting your free vitamin D from the sun, you can also get it from egg yolks, mushrooms, and fatty fish. The fourth thing is portion control. I cannot be able to stress how much of importance this is, and will help you to really lose weight if you don't want to hit the gym or go on a diet. There is this plate called the portion control plate, or some people call it the diabetes plate. In this plate, you can see that it is divided into 3 sections. There is this bigger space, there is also these 2 other sections. In this larger space, that is where you add in your vegetables, here is where you put in your proteins, and here is where you put your carbohydrates. With this plate, there is going to be less stress on how you're supposed to portion your food. This plate is really going to help you if you really want to lose weight and you really want to reduce the amount of food that you eat, because remember, for you to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit, and this plate is really going to help you eat less than you burn. You can get this plate from your local market or store. It's really gonna help you with your portion control. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so that it can be able to spread to more people. Thank you. Number 5 is reduce stress and get adequate sleep. Getting adequate sleep helps you in general health and weight maintenance. Poor sleep disrupts important hormones, which helps in improving metabolism. Also, when you're stressed, the body releases a hormone called cortisol, which is not so friendly to the body because it does not accelerate fat loss. Being stressed triggers emotional eating, and this is when a person eats unhealthy food in order to improve a negative mood. Some of the ways that you can use to reduce stress are: practice meditation and reading books. One of the ways that has also really helped me. Also, you can try yoga. You can also try outdoor walking, like walking in the sun. You can also try and reduce your caffeine intake. Please note that it is important to get at least 6 hours of sleep or more. Here is your bonus tip. Be patient and consistent. Remember that you did not add the weight that you have right now within a month or a week or 2 months. It took a longer time to get to where you are. So it's also going to take some amount of time to be able to lose the same weight. So be patient with yourself, consistently eat clean, and you're going to see results over time. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly leave me a comment down below. Also, please subscribe if you still haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.